Union. 8 years. For 8 years, Diagold has been more than just a jewelry brand. They have been a partner in the dreams of Cebuanos since the time of Margot Osmeña at the Women and Family Affairs Commission. Over 800 couples have started their forever with Diagold rings, and we just found out it's 843. Today we reaffirm that commitment, and we're so thrilled to welcome as well Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown into this union, adding 8 luxury stays for 8 lucky couples to formally open our Q&A session. Thank you. I'd like to, first of all, I'd like to, of course, recognize our guests on the panel. First, of course, is today representing the Honorable Mayor Nestor Archival is Mr. Jason Morata. Jason? Yes.
Woo!
Of course, from Diagold, Miss Jennifer T.
Woo!
We also have Miss Maricar T. Montuyan. She's the Executive Director of the Cebu City Women and Family Affairs Commission. And of course, Mr. Harry John T., President of Diagold Jewelry. We also would like to recognize the presence of the PR and Marketing Manager of Savoy Hotel Mactan. You know her, LaJane Chavez. Oh, and Miss Maya
Gomez.
Okay, thank you very much. So we'll go straight to the question and answer of today. No, we will skip the long speeches and get straight to it. I'm going to go first to Miss Jennifer. Miss, in terms of legacy, okay, Miss Jennifer, Diagold has been doing this for 8 years. Why is it so important for a homegrown brand like Diagold to stay committed to the Cebu City mass wedding specifically?
For Diagold, this is not a corporate project, but rather a very personal commitment from our end. As a homegrown brand in Cebu, our roots are of course here in Cebu. And we firmly believe that every couple, no matter what circumstances they are in, deserves to have a symbol forever that they can always be proud of. So here at Diagold, we try our best to provide a wedding rings that would mark a very important milestone of their lives. And of course, for 8 years of committing to this partnership with the City of Cebu, it is truly an honor, of course, for Diagold and the entire team to be doing this for our fellow Cebuanos.
Over 800 couples have received these rings. 800? 8 years also, right, of your support. How does it feel for the Diagold team to know your craftsmanship is part of the Cebuano home?
It's actually incredibly humbling. It all started with Madam Margot Osmeña and the Cebu City Women and Family Affairs Commission 8 years ago. It's actually a partnership that we've been planning for a very long time, and we're happy that we're able to materialize it. And knowing that almost 850 Cebuano household owns a Diagold craftsmanship in which they can always remember in their daily life that it's a sign or it's about their marital vows. So it's something that we are very proud of, and it puts a lot of sentimental values to me and our team.
Okay. This year also, ma'am, you've actually brought in Savoy Hotel. This is through the efforts of Diagold. You brought in Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown into the mix. How did this collaboration come out?
We approached Savoy Mactan Hotel Newtown simply because we share the same values of Cebuano hospitality. So thank you so much for partnering with us. This is not just about giving wedding rings, but with this 8 luxury stay that Mactan Savoy is giving, it is also a very good experience, like giving the couples a mini honeymoon experience in which I guess most of them would don't have the luxury of having the honeymoon. And bottom line is it's to elevate the entire celebration, yes, of the couples.
Okay, I just have a few more questions before we open the floor. No, is it okay if we open the floor to everybody as well? Maybe I can ask Sir Harry this. Sir, political landscapes often shift, yet this partnership has grown stronger. How would you describe your appreciation for the Cebu City's continued trust in Diagold?
Well, with regards to political landscape, we really focus on what we can give, not really on the political landscape. So our objective really is for the couple. So we want our endeavor really the objective of the city government as well. We will have that common stand, whether any political landscape or different political administration will come up.
And we are deeply thankful to our beloved Mayor Nestor Archival, and of course the current administration for seeing the sincerity in us, for partnering with them. And I really do hope for more years of partnership to come, of course. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, and beyond the 8th year, what is the long-term vision for Diagold's CSR programs here in Cebu? Maybe Ms. Chen or Sir Harry can answer that, huh?
Of course, on our end, we want to expand our CSR footprint here in Cebu. And we do hope, we believe as a company that it is not just giving wedding rings or beyond the wedding rings. We believe of showing up to our community during times of crisis, just like what happened last year in the Typhoon Dino. We were able to organize a fundraising event, and the beneficiary, we were honored to partner with the jail. We gave it out to the residents of the Mananga River, and it meant so much to me and my team. We just hope that as a brand, we just continue to shine, not just in the show window or showcases display in our store here in Cebu, but rather to also help Cebu build a stronger family, of course, through the brilliant union, one brilliant union at a time, and to be able to give support to our community when they are in need, and to also help the people here in Cebu who has made Cebu a vibrant city.
Okay, with regards as coming from about family, my wife was talking about. So every Saturday we do go out and reach out to a place called Children's Haven, and that's being supported from our business also. So in a way, that's one of our CSR. A part of our CSR that every Saturday we are committed in reaching out to those who are less fortunate, not only to feed them physically but also spiritually, even morally, even with values that the family unit could be strengthened. That is a partnership with the police station as well.
Partnership, how does the city, in a rapidly developing city, how significant is it to have private partners like Diagold who consistently show up for the community for nearly a decade?
Good afternoon, Ms. June. Good afternoon to the members of the media who are here. On behalf of Mayor Nestor Archival, I'm Jason. I'm the Assistant Public Information Officer of Cebu City. As with regard to that question, partnerships like Cebu City and with Dialogue for 8 years is one of the major thrusts of the mayor. Especially now, Ian thrust is a smart, sustainable, and inclusive city by 2035. So partnerships. We've seen a lot of programs and projects that has been very successful because of the partnerships of institutions like yours. So the mayor is in support of programs like this because again it shows it goes to show that Cebu City is really in for inclusivity, especially for couples who really could not afford to have lavish weddings. So partners like Dialogue has been there for 8 years and has been showing dedicated sa din sila sa partnership. At the same time, it helps uplift the lives of others. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Jason. Okay, maybe this question is good for Ms. Maricar as well. You know, this year, the participation of Savoy Hotel, they're giving out 8 overnight stays. Is it an overnight stay or two nights? 3 days and 2 nights? Over 3 days, 2 nights. 3 days, 2 nights. Ma'am, I think you've been in that department for a very long time. What is your reaction to, you know, now that there is this growing support for our local couples?
Firstly siya this year no nga na ay aming partner sa city nga muhatag aning hotel stay for 2 nights and 3 days. So ma-thrilled jud ang mga couple once mahibaw sila ni ani. Kaya of course we know nga every wedding na jud ang honeymoon. But since ang ato ang mga recipient karon is ang mga indigent, so murag padamplin yun ng over ang ilahang honeymoon. So with the partnership of the Savoy Hotel, so mahatagan sila karon og chance na ma-experience po na nila.
Okay, so maybe we